Hello, this is Sean Wonders, digital coach for Union County. I want to show how to create a quiz that actually adapts to your students as they take it. So if they get questions right, they just flow through a natural quiz, but if they get wrong, they get some supportive materials. So this all revolves around doing section breaks within our quiz. So I have my first little thing which just has asking their name, and then I put in a section break. So then I'm going to go to my next question, and it's how many electrons are in this, and I just dropped in a picture. If you don't know how to do that right next to a question, normally when you're typing it up, let me get that edit question. When you're normally typing up, you see this little icon pop up, and it lets you actually search. So I just searched for a carbon atom. And so then we just select the answer, but I want to give some additional rules to this. So if they get this right, I want them to jump to the next question. If they get it wrong, I want to have a similar set of questions, but I want to give them some sort of support item. So in this case, a video. And then I just made these questions be worth 0 points, and I just did that by going into that and changing it to 0. So I've got 3 questions that are worth 2 points each, so I got 6 total, but there's a lot more questions on this than my original. So once they answer this question, I want them to go to a section based on the answer. So if they get it right, I want them to go ahead and go to question 2. But if they get it wrong, I just want them to go to how to count electrons. And so we're going to go to counting electrons for every wrong answer. And then when they finish this, it's okay that it goes to the next section, or you can specify, I want it to go to section 2, which is just the next section anyways. So same thing again, I've just dropped in a little picture. That way I couldn't get the subtext to actually go in, so I dropped in a picture so they would have it. So same thing again, on this question, it's worth 2 points, but if they get it wrong, I want to control where they go. So if they get it right, we'll go to question number 3. If they get it wrong, I want them to understand how to balance the bonds. And so we're going to have those questions in there. And then once again, I've got a support video, and then each of these questions is worth 0 points. If they get it right, when they get done, I want them to go to section 3. And then what is the name of this atom? This is a response, so they have to actually type in their answer, and I did lowercase and uppercase, and spelling does matter. If you wanted, you could go in and add all the different variations on how to spell it that you could possibly think of. Maybe they'll just put in an H and see what that is. So actually HE or whatever. I'm not very good at those. But based on their answers, that would be. So let's preview this and see what this is actually going to look like. And so the very first thing is I take my quiz, I'm going to put in their name, and then here's my first question. So how many electrons? There are 2 and 4 on the next level, so there are 6 total. I got that right, so it goes to question 2. Balance the bond. This needs to be there's some there, so it needs to be a 2, 1, 1. Yeah, 2, 1, 2. Sorry. And then so let's see how I did. I'll view my score. I got 6 out of 6. There's all my correct answer. It'll show X's on these, but I didn't have these questions. So it's okay that they're giving me that. I got 6 out of 6 and showing that I got those correct. But let's say I wanted to spin another response, and we'll do student 2, and then this student gets things wrong. We start missing questions. So if I miss the question, you see I went to this counting electrons. I have a little video to watch.
Professor Dave here. Let's learn.
And then I can go through and answer my questions again. And my next question, let's say I get it wrong. I now have a little lesson on balancing bonds. And I have my last question. View scores. You know, I missed this one. Sorry, I missed this one. Missed this one. And you see, I now have a breakdown on each of these. I actually got these two correct, but you notice my score is still 0 out of 6. So I can see, you know, I'm getting this right, but I didn't get it right where I needed to. So that's all I have for you guys. Thank you for your time. If you have any questions, just don't hesitate to ask.
Hey, thanks for watching our video. If you would, please click the like button and subscribe so you can be up to date with any of our new videos. And thank you for watching.